Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the OsMA Divergence Indicator for MT4. This indicator focuses on plotting OsMA together with divergence structures so you can visually track when price and momentum move out of sync. By the end of this video, you will know what OsMA divergence is, how the plots appear, and which main options you can work with. The OsMA Divergence Indicator is a MetaTrader 4 tool built around OsMA, the oscillator of a moving average, which measures the difference between MACD values and their signal line. It extends standard OsMA by detecting and displaying divergence between price and the oscillator, highlighting conditions where momentum is not confirming the current price move. This combination gives a momentum-based view of potential weakening trends or emerging reversals. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Right now we have it installed and it's quite easy to interpret. On the chart, the indicator plots OsMA as a set of bars or a line in a separate window, while price remains on the main chart. Divergence structures are highlighted when price makes higher highs or lower lows, but OsMA fails to confirm and instead makes opposite or weaker swings. These highlighted patterns can be observed as early warnings that the existing trend momentum is changing without providing direct trading commands. As for the indicator settings, core settings include the fast EMA period, slow EMA period, and signal line period used in the MACD and OsMA calculation. There are also options that control how divergence is detected and displayed, such as minimum swing distances and visual preferences for lines or markers. So you can see the visual preferences. You can also set your time frames. Chart style inputs lets you adjust colors and thickness of the OsMA plots and divergence drawings so they stand out clearly against your templates. As for who is for, the OsMA Divergence Indicator is aimed at traders who want a structured visual way to monitor momentum divergence rather than manually drawing it. The divergence signals are still derived from historical data and can appear early or fail if price continues in the same direction, particularly in strong trends or choppy markets. It is best used as a confirmation and analysis tool in combination with other methods and risk management, not as a standalone signal generator. You can download the OsMA Divergence Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This has been a focused explanation from the Forex Geek of how OsMA divergence is plotted and where it can help you understand momentum behavior. If you enjoy these indicator tutorials, subscribe to the Forex Geek channel and turn on notifications for more MT4 focused videos.